Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Farah Ingle, Senior Consultant Physician, Diabetologist, and Director Internal Medicine, Fortis Hiranandani Hospital, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Today I would be talking on health for all. Health for all is the theme of WHO, that is the World Health Organization, for the year 2023. Now, 7th of April is the World Awareness Day as far as health is concerned and is celebrated annually every year, that is throughout the world. And every year, WHO comes out with a theme related to health issues to bring about awareness in general public. So, as I've said, this year's theme is health for all. And what is health for all? What do we have to concentrate on? You know that a healthy mind, healthy body has a healthy mind, in fact. And for a healthy body, we need to follow certain protocols. Like you have to have good nutrition, you should exercise daily, and also good sleep. Now, total health is not only physical health, but it is also physical, mental, social, and I'll add to it spiritual health. Now, if we take physical health, for that, we need to eat good food, nutritious food. What is a balanced diet? Because balanced diet will give you a good health. Now, balanced diet is one that has all the elements like proper proportion of carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, fats too. So carbohydrates are the component of the food which is required for instant energy. We in India are more of cereal eaters, and our carbohydrate consumption, in fact, is on the higher side. Carbohydrates will give you instant energy, but if you're a diabetic specifically, you need to cut down a bit on your carbohydrate intake. Carbohydrates also should be chosen properly. There are different types of carbohydrates, like the one with the low glycemic index, one with moderate glycemic index, and one with high glycemic index. So you should better choose those carbohydrates which have low glycemic index, especially if you are a diabetic. Then proteins are the building blocks. They are useful to maintain your immunity. If your immunity is good, your resistance power will be good, and that will help you to fight infections. If your immunity is not good, you can fall ill repeatedly, and then you can get complications related to infections. And then third is the fats. Now, fats also are necessary for the body. You cannot completely eliminate fat out of your diet, but you should restrict the amount of fat, especially the saturated fats you take, like butter, cheese, ghee. You have to limit that. Ideally speaking, not more than 1 teaspoon of fat per person per day is allowed, and have little bit of unsaturated fats rather than the saturated fats. So carbohydrate, proteins, and fats, and then vitamins and minerals, they are the supportive therapy. Deficiency of vitamins can also lead to so many problems. Iron deficiency can cause anemia. Vitamin B12 deficiency can cause anemia. Vitamin B12 is like a nerve tonic too, so it has an important role to play in your memory as well. Vitamin D works like a hormone, it is responsible for bone health. So, all this also has to be normal. Then, going to the physical activity. Physical activity is also an important component of total health. Every day, if you walk for 30 to 45 minutes, at least 5 days in a week, but would be good if it is all days in a week, would be helpful to you. Now, physical activity has its own benefits. It is important for the food you eat to get digested, which is done by physical activity. Now, physical activity not only helps your digestive tract, but it also helps for your joints. Your mobility, flexibility of the joints will increase. Your you will have a feeling of well-being when you walk around, and it is overall it is good for your health to do physical activity every day. Then third is mental health. You have to be stress free. If physically you're good, you're maintaining your diet, you're doing exercise every day. But if mentally you're not at ease, then you will not feel good. To have mental relaxation, you can follow some mental relaxation techniques to remain stress free. You can discuss out your problems, don't keep things to yourself, and also good sleep is must. Now, sleep has to be proper 6 to 7 hours of peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. Children sleep more, they should sleep more because growth happens during sleep. Elderly, especially above 55, 60, the quantity of sleep reduces, but even if it is 4 to 5 hours of good sleep, you are fresh the next day. If you don't get proper sleep, your body will adjust for a day or two, but then later on, it will come on your physical health. You will not feel fresh, you'll feel irritable, and your work capacity will reduce, your quality of life will get hampered. Then water intake is also very, very important. It has to be approximately for a 70 kg man, you can say it should be about 3 liters of water in a day. Unless you have restrictions in the form of, like, if you're a cardiac patient where you're in heart failure, then we need to restrict your water intake. Also, if you're a renal patient, you're puffed up on dialysis, then there is need for water restriction. Otherwise, it should be at least 3 liters in a day. If your water intake is not proper, then also you will not feel good, you will not feel healthy. You will have cramps, you will have dry skin, you will feel thirsty all the time, you'll feel irritable, and many other things. So, to keep yourself healthy, fit, it has to be a physical health with the help of good nutrition, hydration, proper exercise, proper sleep, and remain stress free. That will go a long way in keeping you all fit. Thank you.